Assalamu alaikum. FollowmeTalha viewers, I am here with a new destination. This is country number 38, and the name of country number 38 is Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. In terms of the highest percentage of mountains in comparison to the total area, it stands second in the world, right after Nepal. I'm at a very beautiful resort, so let's go and explore where I'm staying and how beautiful place this is. So I'm staying at this beautiful hut जो कि पहाड़ों के दरमियान में है. So let's go and explore this beautiful hut. So this is the hut where I'm staying. It's totally made of wood, and the view from the hut is amazing. It's beautiful. So there are other huts here as well. So do you want to see how this hut looks like from inside? So first you see the drone video, and then I'll show you how this hut looks from inside. I hope you like the drone video and you're ready to go inside the hut and see how the hut looks like. Well, before we go in, this place where I am is on top of a mountain and approximately 1.5 hour drive from the capital Bishkek. And well, this was part of the tour package that was given to me by the tour company. Just to give you information कि पाकिस्तानी रुपयों जो 100 में है इनका वो पाकिस्तानी 3 रुपए के बराबर है, तो इतना बड़ा कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. तो let's go and see this hut from inside. So I have a key card. I need to open this with a key card. तो जैसे ही आप अंदर जाएंगे तो यहाँ पर बाथरूम है, अच्छा साफ सुथरा बाथरूम है, हीटर लगा हुआ है बाथरूम में और वेरी नाइस शावर. उसके बाद शू प्लेस, और ये है मेरा बेड. और बेड की फॉर्मेशन अगर आप देखें, इट इज मेड ऑफ वुड एंड you can see wood all around it. Beautiful view from the window. And then there is a heater here, of course, and the carpet work is really amazing actually. So I've booked this and it's really cheap in Pakistani rupees. It has cost me 4,000 rupees a night. So let's continue with the Kyrgyzstan exploration.